cool motorcycle. That's cool. Hey, Alyssa, come here. Alyssa, you know what I'm thinking? What? I'm thinking we should get some payback on the twins. They'll never expect it. I'm not gonna forget when they were shooting me when I was doing my homework. And for that, I got an F- on my test. Are you serious? Yes. This really calls for some payback. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Payback time. Perfect. Hey, Michael, come here. Everybody, armor on. Come on, let's get ready. Oh yeah, this is payback time. They'll think twice. Oh, twins! It's payback time! Get ready! This is a war! Okay, this is it's time. Chris, why's your shirt on backwards? Are you ready? Yes. Twin time, let's go! Here they are! What's your idea?
Simple shooting contest. Higher score wins and lower score has to pick up the bullets.
Be gone.
We're all going to use this gun to make it fair. 6 shots per team. And highest score wins. We're going to win. Totally.
Oh yeah, that's not true.
Ladies first. Thank you.
Oh.
Yes, 80 points. Woohoo. Oh, so close.
Next we'll do.
Oh, so close. Oh, Michael, it's all up to you. Can you help us win?
Yes.
Okay.
They're not gonna win.
Aim the origin on the number for 80.
Okay, I'll try.
Oh.
This is
You can do it. It's all up to you. Oh,
yeah,
you got 80. Not bad.
80. They can't be 80.
Can you be 80?
Yes.
Oh, show us. Yes.
80. I really didn't want to have to clean up all these bullets. Yeah. No, please get a 10, please.
Yes.
No. Yeah.
That's it. But you got one more shot.
If you get it, we win. At least we got.
Yes. Yes, we're high.
80 to 80.
We're gonna need a tiebreaker round.
Yeah,
Okay, that sounds fair.
And the first player to get 1 point wins.
Okay, you go first.
And the loser has to clean up the bullets.
So how many bullets? 1.
You're never gonna win! Look! You're not gonna make the shot!
Don't make it.
Yes! Yes! That's 1 for your team!
Well,
Yeah! Alyssa,
I bet we
this is
can
up
make
to you.
Win!
Zach's turn.
We can do this.
Yes! Yes! My turn now.
It's up to you.
Oh, so close.
Oh no, this could be the winning shot.
Have to clean up the bullet.
Nope, we want fair and square, so you guys clean it up.
Dang it, we have to clean the bullet.
Yeah. Why do I always lose?
I don't know. Might as well just start cleaning up. We'll win next time.
Were you able to find the hidden pineapple in today's video? If you did, be sure to leave a comment with the hashtag hidden pineapple so we can choose you for fan of the week.